If you use Yahoo Mail, knowing how much storage you've used is really important, especially if you're running out of space or not receiving new emails. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your Yahoo Mail storage in just a few quick steps. This is a simple process, but it can help you stay on top of your inbox, clean up old messages, and avoid storage issues before they become a problem. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and sign in to your Yahoo Mail account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or your initials, and it opens up your account options. After you click it, you should see a menu appear. From there, look for the storage section. Yahoo Mail shows your storage usage right below the storage label, so take a moment to find the amount used. This is where you can quickly see how much of your available mailbox space has already been taken up. If you want a more detailed look, click on the storage used area shown below storage. That will help you understand your current usage better and let you know whether you need to delete old emails, large attachments, or empty your trash and spam folders. Checking this regularly is a great habit, especially if you use Yahoo Mail for work, school, or important personal messages. If your storage is getting close to full, it's a good idea to clear out unnecessary emails right away so you don't miss anything important. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Yahoo Mail storage quickly and easily. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.